Hi, welcome to the tutorial for MyREHAU.com, the online platform for everything REHAU. This is a groundbreaking resource for contractors, designers, or water utilities wanting to increase their knowledge and stay up to date with the latest in our civil range of products. Simply sign up to MyREHAU.com, log in, and go to the download section, selecting the sewer tab, where you find a range of videos on tips and tricks and more detailed tech talk presentations on the hour shaft range of maintenance holes, chambers, shafts, and accessories. Here you'll find available products, technical information, videos, and installation instructions. Hour shaft, it's a safer, longer lasting, leak-tight sewer solution from REHAU.